Hey everybody, it's Shelby with a Chick Plus 3. Welcome back. How is everybody doing today? I am very excited. I have a Dollar Tree DIY craft to share with you all. I saw a photo of something in a magazine, in a catalog actually, and the price point was up there. So it inspired me to do one of the things I love, to create something that I see that I would like in my home, but using Dollar Tree products. So I just put my own little spin on it. So I hope you join me. What do you say? Let's get crafting. So here I am just getting out my supplies. All of these are flowers and greenery that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I hauled these last week, if you want to see the haul and where I purchased those. Now I'm not going to use all of the greenery with the orange flowers. I got a variety to try and decide which I thought would look more carrot top like. Now comes my least favorite part. I hate removing the tags off the flowers. But I'm one of those people, even if like one little bit of the tag is left on, I can't stand it. Even if it's not going to show, I need it all picked off. So now I'm just showing you the orange flowers they called daisies, and the green picks, the tags just said foliage. And again, those were all from the Dollar Tree. You may recognize my Dollar Tree storage container containing vast amounts of Dollar Tree ribbon. So I am just deciding what I want to use. There are some of my recent Easter ribbon finds that I have hauled for you all previously. I think I really want to go with the black and white check. I think that will stand out nicely with the bright orange. I was debating using some of that smaller check also. I actually purchased that roll of ribbon at Halloween, and I still have it in my stash. So now I'm just gathering more of my supplies. This is just some wire again that I have lying around. You could use floral tape, which they sell at the Dollar Tree, pipe cleaners, so really anything. In all honesty, I think you could even use elastics. And here I'm just debating if I want to like spread the flowers out for the base. I think that would have worked if I had more and built up as I went. Just trying to decide what type of carrot shape would suit what I had in mind. So you see, you can play around with them and do it in whatever style suits you. Now I'm just going to start wiring them together, just doing them in batches. Little casualty there, but I can pop that flower head right back on, so no biggie. Now I am just going to attach my carrot top. I decided on the very fern-like one. I thought that had the effect of the greenery. I will still do much more fussing with the flowers, as you can see, as I work out the carrot shape. And that's the nice thing. The flowers are wired, very flexible, so you can play around with it all you want until you get it to suit your needs. I decided one pick of ferns was too heavy, so I'm going to cut a couple of the pieces off and save those for another project. Again, the quality of these ferns is just phenomenal. The Dollar Tree is really stepping up with their florals. It's so exciting what they're coming out with. So now I am going to start figuring out my bow. I have the carrot top greens attached to the orange flowers that represent obviously my carrot. And I am just going to work on my bow. I've mentioned in some of my previous videos how my parents ran their own business for 40 years, and in that business my mother's nickname was the bow maker. I cannot even fathom how many bows she made in her professional career. So now I'm just laying all the pieces out, kind of getting an idea if I like the direction that it's headed in. I didn't feel like digging out my pipe cleaner, so I'm just using a scrap piece of ribbon to tie this onto the back. And then I'm just making a hanging loop out of another piece of wire. And here it is all finished. So $4 in supplies plus ribbon I already had on hand. I think it's quite a unique wreath. So thank you all for crafting with me today. If you'd like to see more DIYs from the Dollar Tree, just let me know in the comments below. But until next time, everybody, as always, please be well,